Hello, if you wanna check your app permissions on your Nokia 6.2, you have to go to the settings and now click on the apps and notifications. There we have option with the advanced, and of course there's app permissions, so we can go for the location. There's also our example like Google Chrome, so we are going to turn it off on the Chrome, and now the location is disabled on this application. So you can do this for every application available on this list. So thank you for watching. Leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.